This year's federal income tax filing deadline is Monday, April 15th. If you already know that you're not going to be able or be ready to file on tax day, NBC5 Responds reporter Diana Zoga shows you how to get more time.
April 15th is the deadline to request an extension if you're not ready to file your 2023 federal income tax return. You can use tax software or IRS Free File to electronically request an automatic extension. If you're familiar with Free File, you know there are income requirements to use Free File to prepare a return, but anyone at any income can use it to file for an extension. It's a short form. You don't have to give a reason for asking for an extension. It gives you until October 15th to get your return in. However, an extension to file your tax return is not an extension to pay. You still have to estimate your tax liability and pay by April 15th to avoid penalties.
The number one way to really avoid the penalty is look at, did you have a tax liability last year? If so, pay that in at the bare minimum to avoid that penalty.
Tax preparer Duke Alexander Moore says you can look at what you owed last year and factor in any changes. You can also estimate your tax liability on the extension form 4868 and pay. If you can't afford to pay, go ahead and file the extension. Many taxpayers can apply for an installment agreement online. Diana Zoga, NBC5 Responds.
And on NBCDFW.com/responds, we have linked resources to help. You will also find 5 days of tax tips the NBC5 Responds team pulled together to help answer your questions about tax time. We'll be right back.